Hey guys, in Chad's last video, we found the lie detector guy all tied up. We actually rescued him, brought him back to the safe house. Now we have him hooked up to the lie detector test.
I've got him plugged into the laptop here. It's gonna tell us about his breathing, his skin, his heart rate, and a bunch of factors that will tell us if he's telling the truth or if he's lying.
I don't understand why you guys have to do this. I'm not part of the hacker group. Don't you know that already?
We don't know that. A lot of these ninjas believe that you're part of Project Zorgo.
Okay, I understand that, but do you even know how to read a lie detector? That's why you hired me in the first place.
I mean, I don't know exactly how to read it, but you kind of showed us last time, so I feel like you'll at least give me a good estimate if you're telling the truth or not.
Okay, well, can you put your hands down?
Yeah, you gotta relax. Remember, you kept telling us to relax our hands and just like,
can you just like
don't
As
move.
far as the camera in my face and everything. But remember, these aren't 100% accurate either.
You always start with some baseline questions to make sure that you're telling the truth. I don't know if you guys can see, but he is wearing an Apple Watch. Are you wearing an Apple Watch right now?
Yeah. Oh.
Can you please keep your hands still, please?
Sorry.
There was a little spike right there, but I think it's just because you went like this. Well, yeah. But other than that, like your heart rate was fine, your skin was fine. So that telling me that you told the truth. Is your hair dark brown?
Yeah.
Everything looks stable, so telling the truth.
All right. So, am I free to leave?
Nice try, buddy. We ain't done with you yet.
Are you part of Project Zorgo?
No, I'm not part of Project Zorgo.
I saw a heart rate increase right when V asked that, and it looked like his skin started to sweat a little bit, so he got really nervous. So I kind of feel like he's lying.
Are you part of Project Zorgo or not?
Okay. All right. I'll admit I was part of Project Zorgo once, but not anymore. I'm done. I quit.
Looks to be true. Like, it's hard to tell because he still looked really nervous on the graph. But if that's true, why did you join Project Zorgo to begin with?
Well, I was on the internet and I was recruited by Zorgo. I guess he liked my profile. He saw that I was skilled in technology and he hired me.
Okay, so why did you leave then?
When the whole Zorgo organization first started, I thought they were doing good things. I thought they were taking down videos of YouTubers, yeah, but bad videos, like inappropriate content, all that stuff. And maybe it was that way at the beginning, but then it turned really bad. And once that happened, I just didn't want to be a part of it anymore. So I left.
Wow, I mean, that looks like he's telling the truth, V.
The whole entire time?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, good.
So, over the past few months, there's just been really crazy things happening to us. I just want to know if you were involved in any of them. Okay, the first thing that I got really creeped out at was at this abandoned town. And there was this person that ran by the window when I was looking into this really scary building.
Right there, they run by the window. That looks very much like you, like the same type of hair. And look, and then he drops down behind the bushes. That totally looks like you.
So, is that you?
Guys. Okay, yeah, that was me, yeah. But you have to understand, like, I didn't know you guys were good YouTubers back then. So yeah, I don't know what else to say.
And that sounds honest. Looks like you were moving your hands again. So I didn't get a really good reading.
So if you were there at the abandoned town, that was the same day that my Tesla got stolen. Did you steal my Tesla?
You must have stole the Tesla.
I know it looks weird and it looks like I did, but no, that wasn't me who stole the Tesla.
Who else could it have been but you? And you were part of Project Zorgo at the time. You've already admitted.
I don't know if I can say. I don't know who's watching this right now.
But this is the safe house.
Yeah, but still, this is gonna go on the internet, right? And you're blurring my face and everything. Well,
yeah, we are.
It doesn't matter anymore. I don't know if I can.
Wait, you don't care if we blur your face anymore? V, I think you want to unblur his face then?
I mean, you just gave us permission to, so I think we should.
I don't know. I still don't know. Maybe, can you not unblur it yet? Maybe just, I don't know, just to be 100% safe. I don't know who's out there who's watching this.
Okay, we'll give you a couple more minutes to think about it, and we'll ask you some more questions in the meantime. How's that sound? So we were out with a metal detector investigating. We had some spy gadget binoculars, and we actually noticed a lot of the ninjas left comments saying like, somebody's in the bushes. Let me show it to you right here.
Bushes?
Yeah, as I was looking through the spy goggles, you can see right there. That looks like somebody in the bushes. It actually, again, looks like your hair. And
I mean,
kind of looks like your eyes,
It could
too.
just be part of the bush, right? Blends in with
No, dude, that's totally... Come on, that's you in the bush.
I want to see his hands when he's answering this question.
Okay.
The person in the bush, was that you?
Yes. That was me.
And he's telling the truth.
Yeah,
So,
but
yeah, why were you why were you
It
spying
doesn't
on
mean
us?
anything. Well, Project Zorgo got word that there was a treasure buried in the desert, and they wanted to find it and dig it up, and I was sent on that mission to do that, so that's why I was there. But then there was this guy. I don't know if I should tell you guys this.
No, you should tell us everything.
Yeah.
There was this guy there wandering around, and I didn't know what he was doing there. I didn't know who he was. I thought maybe he was gonna get the treasure chest, and if that happened, my boss would have been so mad at me. So we got into a little fight, and then you guys came along, and I just hid in the bushes.
So wait, you got into a fight with somebody there. Remember, V, we found those gloves, the hacker gloves? I guess that explains why all that stuff was left behind.
Oh, this guy that you fought, did he have a beard also? Was he like brunette?
Yeah.
Like dark brown hair?
Yeah, he was. Why?
It must be Justin.
Yeah, because we found Justin's cell phone right there in that same place. Wait a second. If you got into a fight with Justin, remember that shortly after that we found Justin tied up and he had the hacker mask on him? Did you tie up Justin?
Oh my gosh. You knew that guy.
Yeah,
He's a really good friend of ours.
But no, I didn't tie him up or anything. No, I didn't do that.
Okay, then who tied up Justin and made us think he was the hacker?
I mean, that's the thing with Project Zorgo. Nobody really knows who is who. We all wear masks. We all go by code names. I don't know who was assigned to that, but it wasn't me. Maybe it was one of my bosses, maybe, or one of the employees. I don't know.
Is he telling the truth, Chad?
Yep, everything looks good. Looks honest.
Do you remember that one time Chad and I confronted you? All of a sudden, out of nowhere, you disappeared. And I keep seeing these hackers disappearing.
Disappeared.
Yeah, like they just disappeared. They will turn a corner and they're gone. And you've done that. How do you do that?
I mean, maybe I just.
Why did you
really
smile
fast.
like right there?
It's a silly question. I mean, I don't know. Magic, I guess, right?
Okay, I'm seeing that he's being very deceptive right now. His heart rate is increasing.
Oh, come
He's
on.
sweating a little bit. His breathing increased. So it's like super clear that you're lying right now.
Well, you're not a true lie detector person, so I'm looking at that. It looks.
I mean, that's
to
true.
me.
How can you say that's true to you though? Because like, look at these spikes in your heart rate. That's not normal.
Maybe I moved my hand again. I don't know.
Right.
Well, do you have any other questions you could ask?
Yes, I do. So right when we were chasing you, right before you disappeared, you were talking to a person in a black hoodie, and that person took your cardboard box and like got really mad at you and threw it on the ground. What was going on there?
Yeah, that person I thought was one of my most trusted colleagues, and
So wait, colleague, does that mean they were part of Project Zorgo too?
Yeah, they were part of Project Zorgo, and I mean, to be honest, I was telling them about my plans to kind of help you guys out, and that person didn't like it.
That does appear to be telling the truth. So how do we know that you really did quit Project Zorgo?
I don't know. How else can I prove it? Oh wait, do you guys still have my backpack? I wrote a resignation letter to Zorgo. I never handed it in though.
Just keep your hand still. I'll go through it.
Okay. Yeah, that pocket,
Is it
not
it?
the other one.
Is this it?
Yeah, that's it. That's it right there.
That's it?
Yeah, you can read it.
Letter of resignation. Project Zorgo, I am writing to provide you with my formal notice of resignation from Project Zorgo. Wait a second, your name is Daniel?
Yeah, my name's Daniel. I didn't realize it said that down there, but yeah, that's my name.
He's... Looks like he's telling the truth, V.
Daniel. It's so weird to put a real normal name to the face.
Yeah, we've always called you the lie detector guy.
Should like our audience call you Daniel too? Should they know?
I guess it doesn't have my last name or anything, so I guess I'll be safe enough from Project Zorgo, sure.
Okay, so they should know what Daniel looks like.
I'm just concerned that if Project Zorgo is watching, they'll know who I am. But yeah, I mean,
It looks like they already know who you are because they like already took you from this house and put you in their car. They knew who you were.
Yeah, I feel like if you allow us to unblur your face, that really shows that you are the good guy, that you are really on our side. So
I guess, yeah, sure. I hope I'm still safe if we do that. Josh, alright.
Are you ready?
I hope Project Zorgo doesn't recognize me.
Alright, we're turning off the blurring.
Okay.
Your hands are in the way. Our audience wants to see what you look like.
Okay, alright, there.
Alright, guys.
Next question, okay.
Now you know what the lie detector guy looks like.
And to prove it to you guys even further, I guess, I have been documenting this whole thing on my phone here. I could show you guys some footage. Alright, so here, this is one of my little vlogs I did. Hopefully this proves it to you. Okay, this is video diary number 2. While the Project Zorgo team is out trying to search for Chad and V, I quickly snuck back into the Zorgo office and I got rid of everything. Look, I threw away all the furniture. I threw away all the equipment to hack stuff and make videos.
We were here. Yeah.
You guys were here?
Yeah.
Videos for the Project Zorgo YouTube channel. So you recognize this?
Yeah.
The camera. I threw away all their equipment.
Wow, everything's gone.
I don't know how much time I have until they get back, and once they find this place, I'm gonna be in big trouble. So I hope I'm doing the right thing. Well, I know I'm doing the right thing. I hope I'm gonna be okay.
Oh yeah, I remember that chalkboard. You're erasing the messages that Project Zorgo.
This is the inspirational quote we have hanging up.
I remember that.
Going in the garbage.
Wow, you're throwing everything in the garbage. Okay, so guys, we snuck into this place, and when we snuck into it, there was like 3 Project Zorgo members there making a video, and we were like hiding. We saw there was tons of camera equipment.
And now it's completely empty.
So you
guys were there.
Yeah, we were there.
By this time, they've probably discovered I did that. That's why I'm just kind of afraid of showing up on video like this. They're gonna be after me. They already have been.
Wow.
That's really cool that you threw all their stuff in the garbage. That's
yeah,
awesome.
Gosh. They really can trust you.
Yeah, you must really be trying to help us.
Yeah, I am. I truly am.
We had to leave our house. Like you mentioned, our place was totally bugged. Did you have anything to do with that?
Well, yeah, I mean, that day I showed up to your house to do the lie detector test.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are right. I wanted to tell you guys that your house is bugged in a way that Project Zorgo wouldn't know I was doing that, so they get mad at me. So yeah, I hid little notes around your house.
Actually, V, that makes a lot of sense because he was like roaming around by the painting, by the gong, and we did find all those notes and put them together. So it definitely seems like he was trying to help us.
When we found all the notes that he left and we all put it together, at the bottom of the note, there was an invisible ink and it says, Mr. Skylight. And then once we said that, all the electronics went crazy and we had to leave our house. Yeah. So if you were helping us, why did you leave us that note then?
Yeah, I know it looks bad, but Project Zorgo is on their way. In the next coming days, they're gonna do something really bad. I don't even want to say it. So when you said that code word, that's the self-destruct code word, and it gave you guys no choice. You had to leave. It was for your own good, or else something bad was gonna happen to you guys.
Was that bad thing this doomsday date? So we found this letter in the safe house here. It was posted onto the glass door, and then also Project Zorgo uploaded a video about the doomsday date. Did you leave us this letter about the doomsday?
No, I didn't leave that.
I mean, it looks like
your
handwriting.
It's purple, like all your notes were in purple. It's your handwriting. And the lie detector says you answered it very suspiciously, is the way you answered it. I think you did write this letter right here about the doomsday.
Did you or did you not write this letter?
Okay, yes, I did.
So, what is the doomsday?
This is really scary to talk about. That's why I'm a little hesitant about this. I don't know if it's the same thing they were gonna do to your old house. Something tells me it's gonna be even worse. I wrote some of the code for it. I admit that, but I don't know what it is. I just know the doomsday date is coming.
It looks like it's all true that he did help write some of the code, but he doesn't know exactly what or when it is.
A ton of my commenters are saying that the doomsday date may be in Utah. Do you know if it's going to be in Utah?
Utah?
Yes.
That's interesting they say Utah. I was in Utah recently, yeah.
Okay, so wait, so you went to Utah to try to stop the doomsday date?
Yes. If Project Zorgo is watching your videos, I don't want to give any information. Doomsday date cannot happen, so I don't want to say anything.
So what if we go to Utah to find out what you did there?
You guys can't go to Utah, no way.
Why can't we?
It's too dangerous. do not go, okay? Can you guys just at least promise me that? You guys won't go to Utah?
Wait a second, but if the Doomsday Date has something to do with Utah, I feel like we should go there and try to stop it. I mean, we've got ninja weapons now, V's got her spy gadgets. I think we can protect ourselves. I think we'll be fine.
I understand why you would think that way, but like I said, I do know a little bit more about the Doomsday Date than you guys. All I can say is just don't go.
Sure, we won't go.
I guess if you don't want us to go, fine.
Okay, perfect. It's for your own good. That's a good decision.
All right, guys, you should let me know in the comments below if you trust Daniel, and should we trust Daniel? All right, guys, we actually snuck out of the house. We are going to go to Utah. We gotta stop Doomsday Date from happening.
Even though he told us we shouldn't go because it's too dangerous, I think we need to go anyway and try to stop it.
Yes, and we need you guys there with us while we're in Utah. So make sure to subscribe to me and subscribe to Chad so you can help us. And thank you so much to all you notification ninjas who show up whenever I post a brand new video. I'm showing your comments right here.
And guys, if you haven't seen how we rescued Daniel, the lie detector guy, click right here. It was really crazy. We had a ninja fight battle against the hacker to rescue him. It was insane.
Make sure to follow me and Chad on Instagram at Qwaint and at ChadWildClay so you can follow all of our adventures.
All right, let's go to Utah, guys. Make sure you subscribe so you can see us go to Utah.
Let's go.